All right, never say never. Okay, so it's your girl Beat Bitch underscore MUA. King out of here. How you doing? And okay, a long time ago, I was walking in Sephora, looking at makeup. Okay, just looking at stuff and looking at stuff like I never buy this, never, ever, ever. And so there was this Pat McGrath palette. Now the colors were so beautiful. I don't know which palette it was, but when I saw the price, I was like, hell to the no, man. Got me messed up. It was like $165. And it was like 12 fucking colors. And I'm like, bitch, please, okay? Not talking about no bitch, but in my mind, I'm like, bitch, please. But you know what? Hey, charge what you gonna charge, because your price is your price, period. And it was very pigmented. I did do some swatches on my skin. I was like, wow, I was blown away. But just let me get some samples. Okay, fast forward a few years later. Look at me buying Pat fucking McGrath. Okay, because everybody has sales. So I discovered that even the most high-end products, they have sales. Okay, so even with my cheap ass, I could get some products from Pat McGrath. Okay, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I ain't greedy. I'll take the miniature. I will try the mini versions. You know what I'm saying? I have so much lipstick. And hallelujah, thank y'all. Like, I have so much lipstick. Like, literally. The minis, I am fine with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's try the mini. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Before I go to the full. And I might not even get through the whole mini ones. So, I did get some big ones too. Like, I am so excited because I did get to get me some Pat McGrath. Now, I did get 2 eyeshadow palettes. They were $14 a piece, $28. Let's see. Where would they be? Not gonna lie. Where the hell? I'm trying to think. I moved, y'all. Some stuff. Because I'm gonna do a look separately because I have a lot of lipsticks to try on. I think I have like 20 something out of this one. And with the Juvia's placements, like yesterday, I did it. But I should have just used pre-cleanse to wipe the lipstick off my lips. Off my lips. That's probably why I got tired so quick. I'm like, I was over it. Like, oh my gosh, it's like, I mean, it was a lot of lipstick to try on. Not even a lot. It was a lot. But, and to try on, then you gotta go take pictures. I gotta take the pictures because I need my pictures. And then I gotta make a little cute video. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make a little cute video. So I have, okay, I was gonna lie, but it was gonna be on accident. I only tried one lipstick. Which one was this? Wait a minute, I'm about to tell y'all. I don't know. I'm thinking it was Divine Brown, but I will let you know for sure. It might have been Deep Void or Brown, one of them. But the packaging is very, very, very cute. Has these little, what do you call it? Sparkly things in it. Confetti, sparkling confetti. I'm not trying to get it on my floor because then that's a lot to clean up. And I'm trying to stay neat and tidy over here. You know, I've been getting a lot more done because I've been staying even tidy. So, you know, I'm gonna keep it up. Look, and even trying to get some of this stuff up right now. I don't really need this. I don't need that. Let's see. Okay. So yes. So I have the Guilty Pleasures Mini Lip Trio. Okay. The colors that are in here: Executive Realness, Softcore, and Elson 2. Yeah. And then I have Mini Lust Glossy Love when this gloss easy to come off. Okay. Let's see. Mini Lust Gloss Trio. Sunset Seduction Trio. Like, I can't wait to start wearing glosses. Like, I've been sleeping on gloss. Like, no, colored gloss. Like, I've been wearing gloss, but sleeping on colored gloss, I have been. And, you know, Juvia's Place, because I have not tried my stuff, because I've been waiting till I moved and everything, I literally ain't been wearing it. Like, I only wear the stuff that I'm like, I'm gonna just try something I normally would try anyway. But all these color glosses are getting to me. Like, okay. So now I have the Flesh 5 Astro Lip Trio. Okay. Oh, it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot. I might have to do this in 2 settings. I don't know. And then, let's see. We got Matic Trance, Mcgrath, Full Panic, Deep Void, Filmbot, Venus and Furs, Divine Brown. So I'm going to just keep on coming back to it. Some of them I will line my lips with the actual product because I don't got time, y'all. I'm going to try to get through this. I want to have fun too. So, you know. But yeah, I'm loving this Fenty. Damn it, what is it called? Trio set. I can't even think what the hell. I don't even know where I did it. Oh yeah. The Matchstick Trio. I'm loving it. That's what I'm wearing on my face. That's it. And eyeshadow, just P. Louise base number 6. Yes, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, but yeah. So, oh, I should have set my face. I did not do that. Oh, I think I need to eat some. Man, I ain't eating nothing. So, what I'm gonna do is eat, and then I'll be back. 'Cause that's just not proper.